The best credit card for Costco Canada in 2025 depends on your spending habits and what you value most. So here are the top 3 contenders. First, Tangerine Money Back Credit Card. This card is a great choice for those who want a no annual fee card with the flexible cashback options. You can choose up to 3 categories to earn 2% cashback and get a zero point 0.5 on all other purchases. You can change your categories every 90 days to match your spending. It also has automatic monthly cashback redemption, making it convenient. However, Tangerine is an online only bank, so you won't have in person service. Second, Scotia Momentum Mastercard. If you are looking for a no annual fee card with cashback on key spending areas, the Scotia Momentum Mastercard is a good option. It offers 1% cashback on all purchases with no limits. It also has a 7.99% introductory interest rate on purchases for the first 6 months, making it a good option for those looking to pay off debt. However, it lacks travel insurance and purchase protection, but offers 0% liability on unauthorized payments. Third, Rogers Red World Elite Mastercard. This card is best for Rogers customers who want a no annual fee card with high cashback rewards. You'll earn 2% cashback on all purchases, including Costco. If you have an eligible service with Rogers, Fido, or Shaw. It also includes a free subscription to Mastercard Travel Pass, giving access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide. However, you'll need to be a Rogers customer to get the full 2% cashback benefit.